Hi everyone, welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix PUBG Battlegrounds crashing and freezing step by step so you can get back to gaming smoothly. Step 1. Open Steam on your PC, go to your library and right-click on PUBG Battlegrounds. Then click on Properties from the drop-down menu. Inside the Properties window, go to the Installed Files tab and click on Browse. This will open the game's installation folder. Step 2. Open the TSL game folder, then go into Binaries, followed by Win64. Now right-click on the TSL game application file and select Properties. In the Properties window, click on the Compatibility tab. Check the box that says Run this program as an administrator, then click Apply, and then OK. Step 3. Go back to Steam. Right-click PUBG Battlegrounds again. Choose Properties, click Installed Files, and then hit Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will scan and fix any missing or corrupted files. Step 4. If the game still crashes, update your graphics drivers. If you use an NVIDIA card, download and open GeForce Experience, go to the Drivers tab, and install the latest update. For Intel or AMD users, visit the official Intel or AMD website through your browser, find your GPU model, and download the latest driver version available. Step 5. Make sure your Windows is fully updated. Just search Check for Updates in the Start menu, click it and install any available system updates. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful guides and tech fixes.